Did you know that about 60% of photographers give up after their first year in business? And after another 2 years, about 25% more give up. So in total, 85% of all photographers starting out give up a few years into their career. Today, I want to discuss the 5 top reasons why photography careers fail and what you can do, which steps you can take to avoid that happening to you. And if you don't know who I am, hi, I'm Katja. I'm a photographer based in Berlin, Germany. And on this channel, I share everything to do related with photography, photography business, photography school, and all of my experiences. So what I see very often is photographers offering too many services in too many areas. So they will be doing weddings, they will be doing products, they will be doing seniors, they will be doing fashion, they will be doing documentary, they will be doing events, they will be doing this, they will be doing that. So I would say mistake number 1 is not niching down. It's not deciding what your specialty is, what the niche is that you are working in, and putting all your strength into this. So say you decide your business should be surrounded around wedding photography. Everything should be about that. Your website, your social media, what you tell people, what you do. You should be communicating one clear message about one niche that you have decided to make your business. Because if you don't pick a niche, you will confuse people as to what it is that you are offering and to what it is that they can hire you for. So number 1, niching down. Point number 2 is to do with the niche. And I know that as photographers, most of us love to do landscapes and we love to do street photography and we love to do art photography and we love to do documentary projects, long-term projects over 10 years. But the reality is, if we want to make photography our business and not fail as a photographer, we need to pick a niche that is profitable. So what does that mean? That means there's a lot of different niches out there, and some of them make you money and some of them cost you money. And the ones that cost you money are more of like a hobby or your passion or the art that you are doing for yourself. The other niches that are profitable, that bring you money, are the ones that you should be picking to surround your business and build your business around that profitable niche. So risk of failure number 2 is not picking a profitable niche. Okay, let's say you have niche down. Let's say you have picked a profitable niche. Now what? The third tip that I want to give you, and the reason why a lot of photographers fail, is actually that they fail to understand that photography is a business and that you need to do effective marketing for your business. What is effective marketing, you ask? Okay, let me explain. Effective marketing is when you understand your niche, you analyze your niche, so you understand the customers that you're trying to get, you understand the people you're trying to reach, you know where they are, you know who they are, what their interests are, what their budgets are, you understand and make an analysis of this niche, and then you meet them and you reach them where they are. So that could be on social media. That could be, if you do wedding photography, going to wedding fairs, going to bridal shops, leaving some brochures there. It is doing the marketing that you need to do for the specific group that you're trying to reach. And that could be online, that could be offline, that could be speaking directly to them, that could be sending out newsletters, that could be creating a website, that could be working with an agency. It really depends on which photography career, which path you are taking, and then customizing your marketing specifically to that. All right, so you're doing well, you have your niche, it is a lucrative niche, you understand that you need to do marketing for that niche and you're on it, and you have hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because you love the tips that I'm giving you. And we are on to the next tip. Next tip, I cannot emphasize how crucial that is, and why I see a lot of people failing is that they are not paying attention to this tip. And this is to make proactive offers to your clients. So whoever your clients are, wherever they are, you need to approach them directly or indirectly and make offers to them. That could be on social media, posting that you have available spots for your business portrait shootings. That is creating posts on Facebook offering your services. That is emailing the contacts that you have on LinkedIn and offering the photography packages that you have for their business, for their online shop, whichever niche that you are marketing to, right? So this means it is not enough to have a good portfolio, have a beautiful website, and sit and wait for people to book you. You need to make active offers out to the world, and you need to make it regularly so that people know you're there, know what you offer, and can book you through those offers. It's true for photography careers as it is for any other career out there. And this is the importance of going out and expanding your network continuously. You need to go to photography shows, you need to go to networking events, you need to expand your network also in terms of clients, say through your marketing and through social media, through starting a newsletter, through talking to other photographers, through meeting new people and making new connections, and then actively offering your services to them. It will be guaranteed that you will not fail, as 85% do, but you will develop and flourish your photography business, as I hope that everybody watching does. Okay, so to wrap it up, niche down, find a profitable niche, understand how to market in that niche, make proactive offers to potential clients, and keep expanding your network at all times. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, subscribe to my channel, and I see you in my next one. Bye-bye.